Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that your iTunes store is not working properly. So you see that it's not working and that's something glitch and network errors. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So also have a strong Wi-Fi connection and just turn off your Wi-Fi and again on it. And also sometimes you just have to just turn off your airplane mode and again on it. After that, just go back and make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. And after that, just go to general section and scroll it down and just tap on a reset the network settings from here. After that, just go back and just connect with your Wi-Fi again and just go back and check that if your screen time privacy is off or not. Let's go to screen time and let's go to content and privacy restriction. Just go that and make sure that you just allow it from there and just go to iTunes store and app store purchases and see the installing apps option. Just tap on that and just allow it from here. After that, just go back and just turn it off and again go back and just scroll down and again go back and just scroll down in the privacy and security section. Just click on that and just scroll to the bottom and to see that the option of a lockdown mode, just tap on that and make sure that it's turn it off. So it's saying that turn on lockdown mode. So you don't have to turn it on, you just have to just turn off lockdown mode. After that, just go back, again back, and just simply remove the iTunes stores from that and just remove it from there. And again download from the App Store. Just go to App Store and again download from here. After downloading, you just have to turn off your iPhone and just turn off your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and turn off your iPhone and again on it. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.